You have some consolidation going on because you have people buying for currency issues with, we know the dollar has been ripping higher and crushing a lot of currencies. So that's giving it a little bit of a bid. And then you also have sellers that are still unsure about it. There's lack of regulation, there's lack of clarity. The craziest thing is that you have the stock market way wilder than crypto.
Absolutely.
You have currency markets, which almost never happens, wilder, bond markets wilder, and here you have crypto just going nowhere. But what happens is when these things go to sleep, when they wake up, there's a mega move.
Popular technical analyst Gareth Soloway recently expressed opinions that the world's largest cryptocurrency could get a sustained rally to $25,000. Unlike his other Bitcoin predictions, Soloway says this is a near-term prediction for the crypto asset, which is currently trading at a 6-week high. According to the veteran trader and investor, the market is waiting impatiently for a Fed pivot in November, though there is a high chance that the central bank will announce another 75 basis point hike next month that has already been priced into the markets. Soloway adds that if the market senses any hint of weakness from the U.S. Federal Reserve in November, more money will get into the markets, which could further strengthen the ongoing crypto bear market rally. On Wednesday, the overall cryptocurrency market cap went just above $1 trillion, as Bitcoin looked ready to surpass $21,000. But it only got as high as $21,049 before taking a plunge to $20,500 on Thursday. It's yet to be seen what comes next, but Gareth Soloway and pseudonymous Bitcoin analyst Plan B both think there are chances Bitcoin goes higher sometime within the coming months. We will now take you to Soloway's interview with Stansberry's Daniela Camone. Please watch the video to the end, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Also, ensure you drop your comments and observations in the comments section below. Everything you do helps with the YouTube algorithm so we can continue to grow the channel. Thanks and enjoy the video.
What happens is when these things go to sleep, when they wake up, there's a mega move. And so that's the question, is which way is it going to go?
Mega, that it would beat its all-time high, mega?
Not that mega yet.
Okay.
Eventually, yes, I do have that long-term thought process. But I think in the near term, I'm looking for actually a move up, probably to 25,000, which from here would be a nice chunk of change. But eventually, reality is going to set back in, and I still, unfortunately, don't think the lows are in yet. So S&P right now into the midterms, we've talked about how you likely get this little bit of a bid.
Yeah.
We saw the Wall Street Journal article that just came out, I think it was last Friday, talking about how the Fed may raise 75 basis points and then pause. And the market just loves that because it's the first hint that the Fed is wavering. We've seen housing data. That was very, very weak. The markets loved that. The dollar started to come in. So all the things are working for the market to lift into the midterms. And then what I'm concerned about is after the midterms, how does the economy look and how do things start to slide? So you have to think about it like this, is we're entering this unprecedented period where investors, remember, think about how many new investors came into the market over the last 5 years or so. They've never experienced a prolonged bear market. So it's going to be one that tests their kind of ability to just stay with the trade, stay with the investments in light of all the negativity that they're going to hear about an economy that is going to be stuck in a recession for potentially a long period of time. And I've gone on record, and I said it yesterday in the speech, that I think we don't see new all-time highs for 10 years in the S&P. I think honestly they're going even a little too far, and I've said that before.
Yeah,
that
you have.
They're front-loading this because they're reacting instead of kind of foreshadowing or kind of looking ahead. And they're reacting to the fact that they were late, they were wrong on transitory and all these things, and so they're overcompensating. And I really worry that at some point the consumer's going to run out of money. We paid, so many people paid down their credit cards and everything. Now they're starting to build that back up. When that stops and they don't have that money anymore, the economy's going to take a big dive.
Regardless of the current state of the markets, technical analysts and veteran investors like Gareth Soloway are never short on opportunities. According to the In the Money Stocks president and chief market strategist, those opportunities currently include Meta stocks, gold, Bitcoin, and some other top cryptocurrencies. He is especially particular about gold. Last year, he predicted that it was going to be the best performing asset of 2022. He believes the same could happen in 2023 if Bitcoin stays in its current price range.
So far I've been right. It's been the best performing. In terms of dollars, it's still down on the year, but just a little bit. But for me, I'm still going to go into 2023 still thinking it's going to be the best performing asset. All right, now this one's harder because Bitcoin is close to the lows.
Right.
And a simple bounce on Bitcoin could be 30%, which is hard for gold to do. But I still think Bitcoin will head down towards 12, 13, maybe sub 10. And I think gold is getting close to its meteoric run. So I do like Cardano right now. I do like a little bit of Solana short term, Avalanche, Ethereum, Bitcoin. I think all of those in the near term are quality, and I think you'll get a pop. But I do worry about the longer term. I think if you're a long-term investor, you focus on best of breed, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum.
What about XRP?
IRA allow you to save for retirement in a tax-advantaged way for greater financial security with lots of tax advantages. But most IRA offer the same boring stocks and bonds. Introducing iTrustCapital, the #1 crypto IRA platform in America. iTrustCapital allows cryptocurrency investors like you to enjoy all the exciting benefits of tax-advantaged retirement accounts. It combines the traditional IRA with the new, exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Why should you use iTrustCapital? It is the best crypto retirement platform in America, with some of the lowest fees of any cryptocurrency IRA platform. It gives investors adequate exposure to some of the top cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, and Polkadot. You can buy and sell all your favorite crypto assets while enjoying amazing tax-free gains. It is adequately secured by Coinbase custody with a $320 million insurance to protect against theft. You can easily roll over an existing retirement account or begin a new one when you register on iTrustCapital. iTrustCapital is the trusted crypto IRA for many American investors who love the crypto industry. To join the millions of Americans who use the platform, please click on the link in the description box below.
What about XRP?
XRP is just so tricky. So you're basically with XRP, it's all hovering on this judge's decision. And I hate, as an investor, if you can't quantify, if you don't have some insight into what's going on in that brain, then you really have to be careful about committing capital. I think the big hover right now is this regulation, right? And it's keeping so much money on the sidelines. I mean, pension funds, hedge funds, all these people, I do believe they want to invest. They see the light of Bitcoin and what it can do to the system and how it can improve things. But there's just like, well, what's the rules? And remember, they all have these fiduciary responsibilities to their clients where they can't be like, oh, let's just invest some anyways and hope for the best. Without knowing the rules, they can't do it. And so my big thing is we get these regulations out, at least we know, and I think money will start to flow in, big money.
Former institutional investor and popular Bitcoin analyst Plan B is also ready for the bull market. In fact, according to his recent tweets, he believes we might begin to see signs of a bull market anytime soon. In one of his tweets, Plan B writes, "One day, you wake up and see Bitcoin at $21,000 without any important news or event. The next week, Bitcoin is at $24,000 and $30,000. Some will say it's a bull trap. Others realize the bear market is over and the next bull market has started." While responding to one of the comments under his original tweet, the anonymous analyst hints at a new Bitcoin all-time high by 2025. The reply to the original tweet reads, "Today's 20K is the new 4,000 in 2018, and 70K will probably be today's 20K in a new cycle." And Plan B replies with, "4K in 2018 went to 70K in October 2021. So now 20K in 2022 goes to what in 2025? In another tweet, Plan B seems to agree that the top for the next halving cycle will be between $140,000 and $200,000, and 70,000 will be the bottom, like 20,000 today and 4,000 4 years ago. What do you think about Soloway and Plan B's price predictions for Bitcoin? Please drop your comments and observations in the comments section below. Also, ensure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications if you are yet to do so. Thanks for watching.